Hello everyone, welcome back. This week on Food Camaraderie, we present to you the recipe of a very popular South Indian breakfast meal. It is the idli sambar. Idlis are also known as rice cakes, and sambar is a preparation of lentils and vegetables cooked with tamarind and spices. In this video, we've covered recipes of the sambar and both rice and rava idli. Let's look at how to prepare the rice idli first. But before we proceed, would like to request you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Thank you. For the rice idli, take 2 cups, that is about 400 grams parimal rice, also known as idli rice. Add 1 cup, that is about 175 grams urad dal. Wash the rice and lentils together and drain the water. Then add 3 cups fresh water. And allow to soak for an hour. In a separate bowl, take 1 cup, that is about 75 grams patla poha. Add 1 cup water and allow this to soak for an hour too. Once soaked, put the rice and lentils in the grinder along with the water used for soaking. You may have to do this in parts if the capacity of the grinder jar is insufficient to grind all of it in one go. Add the poha along with water used for soaking. Grind for about 3 to 4 minutes. By then the contents should turn into a smooth batter. Place the batter in a separate bowl. And leave it overnight or for at least 8 hours to ferment. Leave sufficient space in the vessel to accommodate the raised fermented batter, else it may spill. Once fermented, add 2 teaspoons salt and gently fold it into the fermented batter. Please do not stir vigorously. Time to steam the idlis. Grease the idli trays generously with coconut oil. Fill the batter in the sections of the tray. Place water in the idli vessel or steamer. Leave at least 2 to 2.5 inch space between the water and the bottommost idli tray. Heat the water on medium flame. When the water begins to simmer, place the idli trays in the steamer. Cover and allow to steam for 20 minutes. Then turn the flame off, remove the lid and allow the steamer vessel to cool a bit. Then remove the trays. Using a spoon or your hands, remove the idlis from the tray. Now let's look at how to prepare the sambar. For this we would need 1 cup, that is about 175 grams tur dal soaked in 1 cup water for an hour. 100 grams small brinjal cut into medium sized pieces. 100 grams sliced carrots. 200 grams ash gourd cut into small pieces. 200 grams small cubes of yellow pumpkin. 225 grams drumsticks cut into 2-inch sized pieces. 125 grams small cubes of sweet potatoes. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, each cut into 2 halves, 1 big julienne cut onion, and 20 grams tamarind soaked in 1 cup water. First, place the tur dal along with water used for soaking in the pressure cooker with at least 5-liter capacity. Then put the rest of the vegetables. These vegetables are extremely healthy, packed with nutrients. Not everyone is fond of these, especially kids. Therefore, try this sambar. It is one of the tastiest forms to consume these amazing veggies. Now add 2 tablespoons sambar masala, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon asafoetida, 2 cups water, and mix all the contents well. Cook until pressure cooker whistle blows 5 times. Now let's get the tamarind water ready. Crush the soaked tamarind for the pulp to separate well. Strain and collect the water in a separate bowl. We cook the drumsticks separately for about 5 minutes in 1 cup water along with half teaspoon salt so that these don't get mashed in the pressure cooker. You may choose to cook these in the pressure cooker along with other vegetables. Once the steam is completely out, whisk the entire content of the lentils to combine well. And add the cooked drumsticks along with the water. Now time for the tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons oil on medium flame. Place 1 teaspoon mustard seeds first. And a generous bunch, that is about 50 curry leaves. Once the curry leaves begin to crackle, pour the sambar in the pan. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon jaggery powder or jaggery. And towards the end, add tamarind water and mix well. And your soft rice idlis with healthy and yummy sambar is ready. Recipe of the coconut chutney is covered in our neer dosa and set dosa videos. Please do watch if you haven't already. Now let us look at how to prepare the instant rava idli. Take 1 cup, that is about 140 grams rava. Add 1 cup, that is about 180 grams curd. Mix the curd and rava well. Add half cup water. Whisk well until the water combines well with the mix. Then add 1 teaspoon salt. and allow rava batter to rest for 45 minutes. Then place 1 teaspoon fruit salt, sprinkle little water to activate it, and gently fold it in the batter. Grease the idli trays generously with coconut oil. Pour the batter in sections of the tray. As the water in the steamer begins to simmer, place the trays. Cover and allow to steam for 20 minutes. Then put the flame off and open the lid. Before removing the trays, allow the steamer to cool off a bit. Then extract the idlis using a spoon or your hands. Colder they get, more easily they come off. Enjoy the soft rava idlis with sambar and chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share our videos if you enjoy watching these.